I'll start. I'm Christine. Hi. I'm from
Hi.
Connecticut. I am not in the laundry industry yet, but I'm working hard to get there. I am currently about to select my distributor, and I would love everyone's feedback on who they think would be best. I have estimates from Electrolux and Hipsch, and I am pretty much about to sign the contract and then start building. That's kind of where I am, and I'm just new to everything.
Great. So I'm just going to give one caveat. At CLA, all of our company manufacturers who make equipment and distributors are our members. So we are kind of agnostic with brands. So I don't want to get into like this brand is best. However, I think it could be helpful for some of you who have already gone through the process of selecting a distributor to maybe talk about what's important to you with a distributor. I mean, what I'm hearing again and again is it's not really the equipment itself, because all of it will wash clothes. It's more about that relationship, who you feel you might connect with, because the minute that equipment goes in, you're going to need someone to help train and repairs and all those things. But for anyone who is a current owner, any other advice you can give Christine as she's looking to sign her name on that dotted line?
I do know that both of them are great. Electrolux just gave me recently a quote for a brand name Hero, and I've never heard of Hero in my research, and they said it's their secondary brand. They're giving me a good price, but I'm a little bit concerned about anything about Hero because I can't find anything online.
Anybody have anything they can help Christine with?
I think a big thing is access to parts and the ease of self-repair. Just being able to get what you need, because they will break.
Yeah, it looks like someone else
Okay.
said, Christine also said, she has not heard of them either. The big thing is to make sure that you're able to get the parts.
Okay.
So maybe have a conversation,
Gotta
with
figure that
the
out.
person you're speaking with, just to see how available parts are. If you need something, do they stock it? That's a big thing. Do they stock it, or do they have to order it? How quickly you could get it?
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate the feedback.